Okay, second half of the HTML, and it's not terribly long. We'll call this the info section. And we're going to start with an image. Now this image is on a URL, so I'm going to type that out. See if I can type it without a typo. Alright, let's see if I launch the page, if that image shows up. Alright, we got an image. Underneath the image we have a div. Oh, let me count these words. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 30. 30 was the number there. Close the div, close the section. That is your info section, followed up with a portfolio section. With a bunch of images. I'm going to code this out. source.unsplash.com/random 200 by 200. Now if you copy that, paste it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then number those 201 to 208. Oh, paste it one more time to get a 208. Let's see how that works. Save it, format it, launch it. Get different images every time. And I'm counting 8 of them. Let me double check. There are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can't count. There's 9 of them. Okay, so our portfolio is good. That's kind of a neat little trick there to get a random image using that URL. And in fact, their dimensions are just a little bit different on each one. Pretty cool. And finish up with the footer, and then the wrapper ends. Footer's pretty simple. So there's the footer. Launch the page. There's our footer. And that div should be the end of the wrapper. So that doesn't close all of our content. Save it up. I'll stop the video and then we're moving on to the CSS.